What questions are very important in English? They help us ask about things and objects around us. The two most common what questions are what is this and what do you want? These questions help us identify objects and understand people's needs. What questions ask about things, objects, or identity? When you see something and want to know what it is, you use what? When you want to know what someone needs or desires, you use what? What always looks for information about objects or identity. Here are the basic examples. What is this asks about the identity of an object. What do you want asks about someone's desire or need. These are the foundation of all what questions in everyday English conversation. The basic pattern for what questions is what plus helping verb plus subject plus main verb. The helping verb changes based on time and subject. For example, what do you want uses do as the helping verb. This structure is essential for correct grammar. Use what for objects and things like what is on the table. Use what for identity like what is your name. Use what for actions like what are you doing. What questions focus on concrete things, not people or places. What is your favorite movie asks about preferences. What time is it asks about current time. What can I do to help offers assistance. What is the purpose of this meeting seeks meeting goals. What are you thinking about asks about thoughts. Never say what you want. Always say what do you want with the helping verb do. Never say what meaning. Always say what does it mean with does for third person. Always remember the helping verb in what questions. Practice these questions aloud. What is this when you see a book? What do you want when ordering coffee? What is your name when meeting someone? Say them clearly and confidently. Practice makes perfect with what questions.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.